Hello, and welcome to this HelloID update video for version 4.4. Today, we would like to show you the new built-in actions that are available in HelloID. We are currently in Products under the Self-Service menu. We can add actions to this product by clicking Add Actions on the right. The pop-up shows that you now have 30 built-in actions that you can add to the product. We will be adding many more built-in actions, into the thousands. You see all the actions here, but we can narrow down the field by choosing a category on the left. Here are file system actions, but we can also easily go to stop and start virtual machines actions as well. If you need more information on an action, you can go to docs.helloid.com and simply click on the task documents to find out all the information you need about a specific action. Every action is well documented to help you both understand what it does as well as how to implement it. Let's go to the Create Folder documentation. Here you can see all the information on creating a folder and how to do it. Thank you again for watching, and let us know if you have any questions or comments.